So, I am going to do a little bit of turnbacks on this basket. And so I have my ribs in, or starting, don't have all of them, but I have my ribs in on the bottom. I can tell that it's going to be hard for you to see because it's so big. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to weave a couple of these last two or last four on the inside here. I have not woven in yet. So I'm going to see if I can't weave those in, and then I'm going to show you how to do turnbacks. If I keep coming all the way to the rim on each one of these, then pretty soon I'll have that filled in. You can see that it's getting close already. So what I need to do is do turnbacks. What I want is this area here filled in, across and down here, and then the same thing on the other side. So you can tell that I'm going to need some more ribs in here, but it's kind of a, build it up type of deal. So that means that I'm going to do a couple more rows, and then if I have some more, as I build more space back there, then I'll add some more ribs. So what I want to show you is from this point here, from the rim, I want that all filled in. Well, you can see if that's going to happen, I got to start doing some turnbacks. When you do a turnback, you want to turn on top of a stake. Now come from the bottom, you want to be on top of a stake. And then you actually take the weaver and put it to the inside, not the outside, on your turn. And the reason for that is that, see how that will just slip onto that previous row? And then I'm going to go back. And I'm going to do that same thing over on the other side. And you notice that I am a lap weaver, and I'm holding the basket as I weave, actually in between my legs of the handle. So I want to make a turn on top of, as close to the rim as I can. So I'm going to turn on top of this one, on top of, and then I'm going to bring that weaver to the inside so that when I tighten that up, it actually slides on that previous row. Now when you do this, you want to stagger those turns to every other one because you always want to be on top when you make the turn. So I'm going to go back over here and look to see where I've got that turn back here. So that means my next turn back is going to be there. Okay, and it's on top of. I took it to the inside, and I can bring that down. And then what that does then is it eliminates holes in your basket. Okay, so I'll keep doing this back and forth as I continue to line that up. And I'll also keep, as I got more space in here, I'll add some more stakes.